Let's talk about wearing safety glasses while we're working with electronics. Whether it's that piece of wire you snip off that tries to jump up and get in your eye, or something like this. See that chip? There's a nice crack along there. It starts where the leg has been vaporized. Goes across there. There's a nice little piece missing out of it right there. You can see a hole all the way down into the chip. And yeah, this thing, when it blew, sounded like a .22 caliber rifle shot. And I was upstairs, it was downstairs. First I thought somebody dropped like a mop handle flat on the tile floor, but turns out it was this thing. This happened to me once a very long time ago. I was working with some mil-spec chips, and I just accidentally shorted two of the legs on it. And what happened is I heard a loud bang. It was like a rifle shot at my face, and same type of thing. My vision suddenly went blurry. I took off my glasses and there was a nice chip about that size right in front of my pupil. Had I not been wearing glasses, yeah, I would have been in for some long eye surgery if I hadn't lost the eye altogether. Let's look at what happened over here. This is the metal case that was hit with the explosive gases and material. You can see what the shrapnel did right there, and of course the smoke. But yeah, this actually burned hot pieces into the paint of the box. So is that all of it? Nope, that's not all of it. Let's look at this transistor right here. Now that's a normal looking transistor, right? Now let's go over here and we'll look at that transistor right there, and it's missing this big chunk off of it because it also blew, and it should go on the back side of this thing oriented like that. My guess is that you can't really see it very well, but this capacitor is bulged up, probably shorted out, blew, and took out these other components along with it. But the moral of the story is, when you're working with electronics, even if you think it's low voltage or whatever, a quick short across these things, like happened to me many years ago, can cause you to lose your eye. I mean, let's just be blunt about it. So always wear safety glasses, even if you don't think it's a dangerous situation. Because again, soldering, clipping a piece of wire, anything like that can send stuff into your eye, and especially something like that. Okay, well, I hope you found this interesting and very useful in your electronics work.